I just fed my calves. Have to give them some sawdust. They are gonna be weaned on Tuesday the 10th. I have to give them sawdust and stuff. But just give him sawdust. He just went down and got sawdust, but he's going to get more, it looks like. But I am videoing on a GoPro session. Just a GoPro session. I ordered a GoPro Hero 8 Black off of Amazon. It's coming tomorrow. Tomorrow is, what's tomorrow? Today's Wednesday, so Thursday. It's gonna be here Thursday, so tomorrow. Today's Wednesday. There's my alarm to feed my cats, but I just did. So, that's it. Getting sawdust?
Nope.
How many are you gonna get?
Probably 3. I need one more. This is my second. Put this down here.
Don't forget, if you like my channel, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you like my channel.